Hi guys, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video we are going to be doing something very special. We're going to be making this concussion for our hair. I've been using this for quite some time and it's very good for my hair. It leaves it very soft and I've seen tremendous progress. For the sake of those who are coming across this channel for the first time, I usually say this in my videos. I started my hair journey from the scratch, and this is where we started from. Over time I've updated my subscribers about what I use for my hair from time to time, and this is where we are now. So I welcome you to the family. Don't hesitate to click on the subscribe button so that you follow us in this journey. Thank you so much to my subscribers. Every one of you is so important to me. We will be using a handful of rice. Usually I like rinsing my rice because of the chemicals that must have been used in preserving the rice. I usually like washing it, so that's what I'm doing. After washing it, I strain the water out. After washing and straining my rice, I set it aside and I bring my aloe vera. My aloe vera is gotten from my plant. Oh god, please guys, pray for my plant because I've really used this so much. So if you don't have a plant, I really advise you to get one or two for yourself. It's very good. If you cannot afford to plant yours, you could go to the nearest supermarket or shopping complex. You might have it in your country, but right here where I live, we don't have it here. I hope to find a place to buy aloe vera soon, but for now I solely depend on my plants to get my aloe vera, and I've used it so much that I feel so much pity for my aloe vera. Now I've succeeded in cutting my aloe vera, so I'm just going ahead to get a jar and put the rice inside. After putting the rice inside the jar, I'll just add my aloe vera to it, my sliced aloe vera. Please don't forget to remove the spine from your aloe vera so that there will be space for penetration of water into the aloe vera. So I'm just going to add some water to the combination of rice and aloe vera. Then I'll go ahead and seal it up with the cover of the jar. It should be sealed tight so that there will be no entry of air into the container. The jar should be clean and as sterile as possible. The solution is still translucent. That means we can still see through it because I just made it. So I'm just going to keep it in a place that is kind of dark and where my kids cannot easily reach, so that it will stay there for 24 hours.
24 hours and some minutes later.
Now you see it has become opaque. That means we cannot see through it anymore, and the color has changed to greenish, and that shows that the aloe vera has washed into the water. So even it tastes bitter if it enters your mouth and all that. So we are just going ahead to strain it out. This is my favorite filter for straining it out. If you don't have a filter, you could use your hand to strain it out and separate the solid from the liquid. After that, I get a spoon and use it to press the aloe vera to get out any gel or liquid that is left in the aloe vera. I am careful not to press the rice so that the rice does not get through the holes. So that's what I usually do. Next, I take my spray bottle and I pour the liquid inside the spray bottle. You can see it looks clear, but in the bottle it's actually greenish. I think it's yellowish green in color. So it doesn't smell too bad. I think the aloe vera has neutralized the smell. I know a lot of persons will be wondering, this must smell so bad. It smells, but not as bad as when it's rice water alone. So aloe vera and rice water smells better than rice water alone. If you are not comfortable with the smell, you can add some lavender oil to it or any other essential oil of your choice. So as you can see, I'm washing my hair with warm water. I like washing my hair with warm water as it makes my hair feel soft. So after washing my hair with warm water, I go ahead and spray my rice and aloe vera water on my hair. It really is effective. So I spray it all around while using my left hand to massage it into my hair. I try as much as possible to make it penetrate every single part of my hair. If you have low porosity hair and you are scared of using rice water, you think it will make your hair to feel dry, just follow the method I'm using now. You will see there will be difference in your hair because I have low porosity 4C hair type, so it works for me. I hope it works for you too. Please, I'm tired of spraying. I'm just going to pour it on my hair. Oh my gosh. So I finished pouring it on my hair. I go ahead and massage it some more to my hair. So I do this once in a month. I do this once each month. Next, I put on my shower cap and support it with my satin bonnet. I let it sit for some time, about 1 hour. I let it sit for about 1 hour. Then I take it off and rinse it off. I don't use shampoo. I don't use conditioner to rinse it off. I rinse it off with my warm water. You can see, can you feel it? My hair feels so soft. After that, I apply my mixture of oils. For those that have not seen the video of how I made this oil, I'll just describe it. I first of all add avocado oil. After adding my avocado oil, I add my coconut oil. If you've not seen the video of how I made my coconut oil, please do well to check it out. Then I add my olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. I add it to the mixture of oils. Then after that, I add my Jamaican black castor oil. I'll put the links to the oils in the description below. I got them from Amazon. After that, I add my virgin air fertilizer to the mixture of oils. Then I boil some water and pour the water in a plate. Put the container of the mixture of oils in the water and allow it to melt. After it has melted, I bring it out and shake it to evenly distribute the oils, to mix the oils together. So this is how I make the mixture of oils that I use to seal in moisture into my hair. After rinsing off the rice water from my hair, I go ahead and rub the oils on my hair to keep my hair wet for as long as possible. You will notice that throughout this process, I didn't comb my hair. That is how I actually take care of my hair. I hardly ever comb my hair. I comb it once in a while. I always say this in this channel. I don't comb my hair all the time. Now I'll tie my hair with a cloth to keep the moisture intact for as long as possible. Do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video if you found it informative, and please share this video out so that people get to know about this channel. Love you. Bye bye.